Video I show you how to fix the 7 deadly sins: origin crashing, not loading, not working, lagging, or keep stopping problem on Android phone. For fixing these problems, first of all check that your game app is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store, search for 7 deadly sins, click on it, update if available any update version, then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for 7ds, click on it, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open 7 deadly sins game. Now I hope that this method fix 7 deadly sins: origin crashing, not loading, not working, lagging, or stopping problem on Android phone. Click on tap to proceed. Okay. Yes. Click on yes. Then click on skip. Okay. Now I hope that this method fixed your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.